Mickey. So I was just like, oh, mama. Stop! You're bullying me now! Dumb. I slap you with the fishy now. I slap you with the fish. I slap you with the fish.
By the way, Daniel, they actually have placed all their cars. You have not.
Mama.
Wizard. Placed on the wizard.
I got this, Connor.
Wizard.
Stop, bruh. You're not gonna win. Stop freaking bullying me!
You just said you're not gonna win, and then you just say stop bullying me.
You cannot win. Get destroyed. I'm so sorry. Do you forgive?
They have another P.E.K.K.A somehow.
Bruh. Dumb? Question mark? Dumb.
Dude, it's a level 10. That's a big boy.
Bruh. You cannot win. Stop trying.
In a tiebreaker, you win. Daniel, in a tiebreaker, you win. How do you feel about that?
No, my hair. Don't worry, Connor. I have another Sparky.
Do you have a dragon?
Mama. Oh, I haven't placed on my wizard.
Yeah, I was good. Earlier I said play the wizard. Go wizard. Make us proud,
Easy.
wizard. Jesus Christ.
Sorry about that.
Damn, he's earning 3.9. You're earning 3.7 elixir.
What the frick? That's dumb. Get destroyed. Don't try. Don't freaking try.
Kill
Alright.
the lumberjack. I dare. Oh.
All right, that's it. You've done enough. You've done enough, sir. Sparky time.
Dragon? Baby dragon? Fishman?
Fishy. How do you have another one? What the frick? Okay. It doesn't matter. Bruh, stop trying, bruh. Stop trying. Okay, come on. Stop trying. But stop freaking trying. You're not gonna win. You're not gonna freaking win. Stop trying, bruh. You're not gonna win. Stop trying. I'm gonna taunt you now. I'm gonna freaking taunt you.
I messed up. I'm concerned for everything that's going on.
This is a nice deck.
What?
Mama.
What do they have?
All fusions. Oh, never mind. No, not all fusions. Mostly fusions. You know what? I'm just gonna use the same deck I used last time. Cause I'm smart. I'm smart. Okay, I gotta stop this. I gotta stop for my mental health, my mental well-being and health.
No, it's your physical. It's your throat.
That's true. You can't win. You cannot win. I feel like I'm gonna lose just because I said that. Crap. Mama. I just won.
You just did?
I just won. I just won without even lifting a finger, bro. Easy.
You just lifted your finger.
I'm just kidding. Smart. Mama. Nicky. Mick eye.
Guess I got to go.
I don't know, man. This Gregory
To the
person
right.
is... You know what? I'm gonna do the most classic Mickey sound. Mocky.
You want to be chickens again?
Sorry. Am I scaring you?
Mm-hmm.
I'm sorry. I didn't want that to happen. You just got megged! Bruh. Just got megged. Bruh.
It's a serious bro moment.
They have... That's...
Oh.
Oh.
Oh. Hmm.
Mama. Is that my mama? I think that's mama. Wow, that's hot. What? What?
What's happening?
Snake Way Speedrunner. Oh yeah. I feel like he's gonna use both the Zenkai Awakened people.
I mean, would you?
Probably.
So he would do it the same. Hello, egg boy. I have no rings. Hi. No, it's my ring. No, that's my other ring.
Wait, did you just make it explode on a ship?
Yeah, it can explode on him. I need a ring. Oh, frick, I don't have any rings now. Hi. I shall explode you.
I don't know, man. It's very personal. It scares me.
I think if I do it...
Yep, I knew it. He used both Zenkai Awakened. Oh no!
Come on.
Nope.
Keep on rolling off. Sonic, what's wrong with you? Stop rolling off.
Oh my gosh, that lag. It's truly amazing. Okay, let me switch, please. Oh, you're gonna dodge, bro. You're gonna freaking dodge, bro.
Let me go.
Huh? Wait. Oh no, this is lag. Such bad lag. Oh my gosh. What the frick? No. You seeing this? You freaking seeing this? Oh my god. Okay. Bro, don't try it. Don't freaking try it, bro. Crap.
Yeah, when you're charging, it's like a good way to destroy people. This man's carrying so much water. Like a whole pack of water.
It's hot.
I already got hit. No, don't go to settings.
I should just switch to a full health character.
Oh, he's gonna die. Never mind, he's not dead.
Okay, I mean, like, did switch to a freaking disadvantage, so. Okay, bro, okay, come on, please, bro. Stop, please, bro, please. No, you dodged that. Please, no, you're done. No, you're done. Yes, thank you. I win. Wins. Oh yeah. Come on, you had to faint. Come on. Oh no, this is lag. Oh no. Okay. Come on, hit me. Come on. You know what? You want.
Yeah, he's gonna time you out.
No, he's not. I have more characters than him.
Oh, that's true.
What? Oh, okay. That's good.
What happened?
I lagged. Come on. Hit me, come on. Fine, I'll do it myself. You didn't do anything, what? Okay. I guess I won. Yay. I win. I defeated you in front of 1,000 people. How do you feel about that?
1,000?
Bro.
Wow. That's a lot of people then.
I know, right? It's a lot of people. Ugh. Oh my gosh. I'm smart. Very smart, in fact.
You thought. See war. Run through it.
Mom, is that
Checkpoint.
you? Mom, it really is you. Yay.
Alright.
Lucky, very, very happy. Oh.
What? 999 chrono.
999 chrono crystals. Oh yeah.
Doing so bad on this run, and I've been so good on this run at the same time.
Mickey. Nicky.
Sure.
Mom.
I'm sure.
Mom.
Here, Connor.
I'm doing PvP now, Connor.
Okay.
Oh no. I have a disadvantage against two.
Why did he
freaking
pick
people.
the same color twice?
It was a very...
Daniel, why did he pick the same color twice?
I don't know. Yo, chill out. Chill out. Oh, that's nice. I'm getting freaking ultimated. I'm getting freaking an ultimate. It's nice. How nice.
It's nice.
How nice. Oh, cute motherfucker. What the frick? Why did you... Oh no, you made me do that again. Oh crap, crap. Don't finish him, don't finish him.
They finished him.
Oh, yeah.
Don't say uncle yet.
Wait, oh crap, I picked Fist. He's gonna pick that. Oh no.
What a strange... Oh, I forgot. Thing was going.
You better not dodge this. Yes! Yes, Connor.
Good job.
Oh, come on.
I think that's an
It's not going to lie.
Oh, frick.
Oh, I think that's an
I got hit twice when I was in first, and now I got in last.
Fine, let's do classic Sonic then.
Come on, Connor, you have to win.
You have to win.
I'm doing my main. Oh, why is this fair? 13 and 10, and I'm only 8. Why is that? I hate everything. And there's another. Oh, there's Kareem. Stop stealing my powers.
There's no more powers. How do you feel about that?
I'm first. I'm in first. No, you're not gonna get me with that. Neither with that one. Boost pads over here. Therefore, I shall go to late boost pads. Yeah. No. One of them is really close to me.
I think that's an A.
You're not getting me. Aha! I got another person. Yes! No, wait, what? Oh, okay. It said I got second, but I got first. Wait, why my game just got muted?
Please, stop! Oh, die. What?
What
How
happened?
did you dodge? How did you deflect that? I'm freaking done with this game. I'm done with freaking rating matches. These aren't even rating matches. These are so unfair. Every single person I battle, they have either Kefla or freaking Gotenks. Oh, I just want to kill at least one person. Please, can you just kill at least one person? Okay. I just want to kill one person. One person's all I need. What? What do you mean? How is that possible? But frick you. Frick you. Frick you! I am so sorry for all of the raging I've done.
It's okay. That's your talent, so...
What? No! That was so delayed!
Ooh, an extra life, huh?
Bro, stop! Please! Bro, stop. I'm so cool with my legendary finish. I'm so cool with my legendary finish and my super long blade. Good job. Why does this keep happening? I'm getting a headache from this. I'm so sorry, Connor. Bro, please don't kill me. I will destroy you. Frick you.
Did you turn into
Stop.
black for a second? I will destroy you.
Stop! Please! Bro, give me a... Bro, okay, I'm gonna freaking end you. I'm gonna end your life. I'm gonna end... Oh!
What happened?
I freaking hate you! I'm gonna kill you! I'm gonna freaking kill you and your whole family. Just kidding.
Did you pick Vegeta Blue? Yeah.
Stop wasting. 69 key. Oh, dang it. What the heck? I'm gonna lose this dude. No, I want to save this health. What? I lost my green card. Yes, I like swiping. I like swiping. I like swiping. Please, please, swipe, please, 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 swipe, swipe. Oh crap! I left. Oh, I was swiping. Why is this game bullying me?
You're still alive though.
What?
You're still alive.
Yeah, I'm still alive.
Yeah.
Stop, please. Stop, please.
You're still... Oh, you're dead.
Oh no! I wanted to. Fudge. I'm gonna dodge, of course. Wait, what's happening?
I did nothing. Oh. Do you have advantage? No, you have a disadvantage, right?
Oh, stop! I can't even do anything! This man's spamming me!
That's worse, guys.
Frick this person. I get...
You're just standing there, you're not even trying.
Because he's gonna spam me! I told you! He's freaking spamming me! I can't do anything! Turn me to bits. Turn me to smithereens. Turn me to freaking Big Mac! Dumb!
Still alive.
Sorry.
How do you feel about that?
It's hot.
Icon. Coolest way to finish him.
Nope.
Yeah, he would have switched. What are you doing? Icon.
Now I'm gonna do it. See, that was my whole plan. Yes!
My plan is just to make them switch, because I know they'll keep more alive. Target eliminated. Still alive. Yes, he is eliminated.
Please!
Why are you
No!
not rushing him?
I am going to. Let me do this. Oh my gosh. No, so bad. Wait, oh yes. Please. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. He's gonna pick this. It was only. Oh, bro, watch him pick this. Watch him. Oh wait. Okay.
Why did you pick a green card? Oh, he's dead. For sure.
Please. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Please. I have a green card. Please. Did you see? I was swiping.
You have to be standing perfectly still. You also, I think, you need to have a little bit of stamina to use it.
What?
It's a Vegito main.
What? Monkey?
No,
please. He's gonna kill me. No. Yo, stop, please. Oh yeah.